This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the List Exported Assets node. If you don't know what a List Exported Assets node is, make sure you check out the previous tutorial titled Understanding the List Exported Assets node. Okay, let's start. Drag and drop the List Exported Assets node into your workspace and double-click on the node to display the Properties slide-out panel. Select your virtual device and add the node's configuration information to each field of the Properties slide-out panel. Then, wire this node to a debug node. Next, drag and drop an inject node to the Node-RED workspace. Wire the inject node to the List Exported Assets node and double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Select the drop-down payload field, choose the JSON type, and select the ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node, for example, something like this. Click the Done button, then click the Done button again, then click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button attached to the inject node to send the input from the inject node through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results to the right side of the workspace. Great job! Now, clear your workspace so we can learn how to use this node in interactive mode. First, drag and drop the List Exported Assets node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. Select your Catenis virtual device and add the node's configuration information to each field of the Properties slide-out panel. Then wire this node to a debug node. Click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button attached to this node to send the default property panel setting to the Catenis APIs and through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the results to the right side of the workspace. Great work! Now, you should understand how to use this node in both runtime mode and interactive mode.